Hey everyone, I'm back with my typewriter again. As you can see, it's this thing is on. As you can hear, it is on. Here, just for proof, I'm turning it off for you. There you go, off. Keep in mind, this is an electric typewriter, and this is for people who are ASMR fans. So if you want to chill out after a nice Thanksgiving dinner, now is a good time. So I'm just going to publish a couple of videos throughout Thanksgiving. Alright, let's get started. Love the sound it makes. And I'll tell you guys this, way back when I was a little kid, my maternal grandmother actually taught me how to spell using a typewriter. So I feel very fortunate and thankful that Grandma had one, and by the time I was 11, I remembered exactly what a typewriter was, thanks to some retro films such as Vincent Price's The Fly and Get Smart and some Tom and Jerry episodes. Alright, enough chit chat. Let's get started. Okay. There you go. It's over. You know, I did notice that my paper's a little off, so I think I'm going to move it a little bit here. Here. Let's see. Here. Ah, much better. That way I don't have to hit the tap button all the time. Alright, let's continue.